both side skirts and the rear diffuser, as well as the front spoiler as well, to make the car look a little more sporty. The Honda Accords are already pretty sporty, but this adds a little extra touch to it to bring it up a notch to make it even more sportier. So let's get started. First, we'll open up the box and see what kind of fun stuff's included. So you're gonna have a left and a right front corner. This is the edge, and then the very front bottom. And then these are attachments that will go into these holes here to give you something to screw the screws. And then of course, double-sided tape is what holds on most of these things. So we'll have to take the time to line the outer perimeter with tape. It has the lines there on all the parts to put the tape, with that being embossed into the plastic. So that's a added plus. There's no guesswork to it. So it should make it fairly simple and quick to put this on. All right, before we get started, I've taken the pieces out of the box and I've laid them out in front of the car so you know which pieces go with what. So you're gonna have a total of 5 pieces. You're gonna have your left and right corner and your middle piece, and then there's the lip that's gonna go on top of those 2 pieces right there. All right, so what we first need to do is to put the double-sided tape on all the areas of the parts that require it. And if you look inside of it, you'll see outlines to show you where to put the tape on it. On the ones that are this is going onto here. I will, on the parts that are going on the body, even though this screws into the bottom of the factory spoiler, I'm gonna use a little bit bigger tape, thicker version, just for safekeeping. Maybe overkill, but that's kind of the way I do. Better safe than sorry. So I'm going to tape up all these parts and then we'll move on to the next. This is going to slide right on to there, like so, and around to there. And so that'll give it that look right there. So one of the things that you're going to need to do is get some painter's tape. Because as you know, when you put this double-sided tape on, it's on. So you kind of want to know where, if you look here, I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to start and put it. So I'm going to put it in place before I pull the tape and stuff off to where it's supposed to be, all flush to the body parts. And then I'm going to put tape so that'll give me a reference point, and that'll give me a line that I need to follow to correctly mount it. Here's my line. And see, that'll give me a line kind of where I was going, whereas if I didn't have it, I'm doing all of this. Now I've got my lines there. I can see exactly where I'm going and just push it in and place it. So now let me clean that. That'll help it stick better. And don't forget, before you put your tape on, to use the adhesive promoter that's included in the kit. So it's truly a DIY, all-included kit for you. And I've peeled off all the backing. And remember to line it up on your lines that you put in already. And there's a little round spot here you can use as kind of a cheat line, if you will, and she'll stick right on. Okay, so now I'm going to put this piece on so I can finish this side up. So I need to peel all the red stuff off, get a little bit of alcohol to clean it off, get any grease from my hands where I've been touching it off, so the tape sticks really good. So this one will be easy to align. Okay, so remember how on the other side we did a trial fit, make sure everything looked good. Mark it with our tape so we know where our start line is. Now granted, it's not going to be exact because you're doing it with one hand unless you're good enough to have somebody to help you. My helper is at work. Oh, I got lucky, that fell right into place there holding it. Okay, now clean it. Remember, use alcohol. Get any kind of compounds off, any kind of oils, debris, anything like that off. All right, so now that we're ready to stick it on, remember your lines are your green tape. And I put this on to help in this corner here where I couldn't get tape up in there. But this point here is where you want to align everything to begin with. All right, so now to put the centerpiece in, I figured out my one advice to you is probably to make sure that you do that alignment perfect, because if it's off just ever so slightly, it will not go in. I've got it sitting up in there. So I just got to put my screws in, and those are screwed in. Now I've got to put my grommet back in. Actually, I am going to switch gears and use a little bit different grommet, I think, because I don't like how that's just barely in there grabbing. If you remember in part 2, the side skirts, I used the push-in kind, so I'm going to get those and use that. I'm going to have to use ones that are the same size. It'll probably be the biggest one. Yep, that works perfect. And it's a little bit longer, as you can see. And they'll go right into those holes. Perfect, and hold it a whole lot stronger too. As you can see, those pop-ins are right there. They're from the factory. And then the push-in ones that I'm using right there. So if you look right where my finger is pointing, there's a little indentation hole. Now they're all along every few inches on this middle piece, and that's where you need to put your screws. So let's do that now. Yeah, that sucks it right down in together a whole lot better. Having one of these right angle attachments for your driver will help tremendously. Well, that's all there is to it. It was an easy project from start to finish. This is a 3-stage video. If you haven't seen the other 2, jump on my channel and you can see the installation of the side skirts and the rear diffuser. Our goal was to change the Honda Accord sedan family mobile into a little bit sportier look by simply adding a ground effects kit from our friends at American Modified. I first want to say thank you to them for supporting the channel and helping me through this process. And thank you guys for clicking on the videos and supporting the channel as that. If you like the video, hit the like button, leave any comments or questions below. I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. And hit that subscribe button for future videos. I appreciate your support and have a great day.